Because why would you smell this good in public if you're not trying to seduce people? Hmm? Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, even some fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Okay guys, so we are in fall season, okay? And I think that in fall is when the vanilla fragrances start to flourish and they just are living their best life. And I thought it'd be a good idea to do some of my favorite vanilla combos. I am going to separate the videos a bit. So this particular video today is going to be about the sweet, edible, vanilla caramel sort of scent combo. So I'm going to give you a really great combo, a list of things that you can use if you want to smell edible and irresistible, you know. Going to be separate, so we're going to have some woody vanillas coming up, more on the sexy side. This is sweet and edible and just true gourmand vanilla today. Okay, so let's get right into that. So of course your scent combo is going to start in the shower. So after you do the boring part where you kind of just get yourself actually clean with your bar soap, your dial, your antibacterial soap, whatever you use, you're going to follow up after that, because you should be following up after that. You're going to go in with your scented body wash, the one that's just going to start this thing off. This is the pregame. This is a limited edition. This is the Olay Spoonful of Sugar. When I tell you that this literally smells like a creamy vanilla, it smells like creamy vanilla shortbread cookie custard, like a shortbread flavored custard. Oh. Anyways, let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Very affordable. When it comes to body washes, I am more of a drugstore girl when it comes to that. I don't often go outside of that. I may once in a while, but it's not often. I find drugstore body washes reliable. The bottles are huge. I just feel like I can just get more for my money, because at the end of the day, it is a scent. Okay, it is just a scent. But sometimes you do want to experience different things, but I just tend to lean on the drugstore when it comes to body washes. And the Olay, why am I saying Olay? The Olay body wash is creamy, it's moisturizing, and the scent is extremely fragrant. Like, this smells like something that you are supposed to eat. Obviously don't eat it, but we're gonna definitely kick off the combo with this. Now again, it is limited edition, so if you love this scent, I suggest you stock up on it. It's moisturizing, it smells good, it lathers beautifully. It lathers beautifully. I like to use the African neck cloth, so it lathers so nicely with that. Or if you use like a loofah, the lather is beautiful and it smells great. And literally the shower smells like cookies. Vanilla, shortbread, creamy, just cookie. And I love it. Okay, now after you take your shower, right? Okay, so you're gonna moisturize. But before you get into your body oils and your lotions, I am going to highly, highly, highly recommend this Jergens Weightless Wet Skin Moisturizer. Okay, so it's oil infused, absorbs quickly, and locks into wet skin for non-greasy hydration. So this is when your body is still wet. Like, do not dry off. Just go immediately in with this. It has a light scent. It's a light, creamy smell, but this isn't really for the scent. It is for the hydration, because the more hydrated your skin is, the more your skin is going to hold on to the fragrances that you put on top of it. And also your skin literally looks great and it feels even better. I don't know why I'm opening. It's just like a soft, simple, creamy, cocoa buttery type of smell, but it is very lightweight, but it feels so good on skin. I'm going to show you what the texture looks like. This is what it looks like. So when you combine this with your wet skin, you're just locking in the moisture that you got from the shower, because you literally hydrated your skin with water, and you're going to lock in that water with this. So when you buff it into the skin, you're going to have a nice glowy finish, and it smells good. And you're going to let that absorb, you know. So now you're prepped and primed and ready to go in with your body butters, your oils, things like that, because it's going to hold on to the fragrance. And that's how you get the most out of your fragrance. Like sometimes you hear some people saying, oh, it lasts all day on me. And then you hear other girls saying, oh, it's only 3 days. I mean, 3 days. It's only 3 hours on me. And sometimes that has to do with dehydration. Like perfume on just straight dry skin, I don't think it's going to last as long as moisturized, supple, ready, and ready and ripe skin. So we're getting a little step closer to what we're going to be using today in this caramel vanilla, very edible gourmand layering combo. Now I'm going to go with my body butter. I don't know if you guys like to do the oil first or body butter. I tend to do the body butter first if I plan on wearing oil. If I'm wearing oil alone, then I'll go right into the oil and leave it as that. But if I'm going to have my body butter, I typically put that first. And you are going to use something, maybe not this exactly, but a similar scent. This is by Bath and Body Works. It's the Warm Vanilla Sugar 24 hours of moisture. 24 hours of moisture. This body butter is very deeply hydrating. You see I've been using mine up. Okay, it's a very light, it's a vanilla sugary scent. It isn't too overwhelming. I know that a lot of Bath and Body Works, their fragrances are pretty potent to me, but this one is not as potent. It's just a nice creamy vanilla with like a sugary top to it. Perfect for this combo. So you're going to follow up with a body butter that smells similar to this, because it is going to enhance the fragrance that we're going to be putting on top of it. So yeah. Next step to me is necessary if you want to achieve this vanilla caramel scent trail. Okay, you have to get this. I recently purchased it a couple months ago and I have not put it down since. It's moisturizing. It leaves my skin looking so glowy. And it is this. This is the Palmer's Tahitian Vanilla Moisture Drenching Body Oil. Y'all, the smell of this is so good. So good. It literally smells like creamy caramel to me. It's Tahitian vanilla, but Tahitian vanilla has more of a thicker, caramelly, sugary scent to it. It has the vanilla, of course, but it doesn't smell like a milky vanilla. This is a caramel vanilla, so it goes well with the scent combo we're going to do today. And it's another very affordable product. Everything is affordable that I'm about to show you, and very accessible, so you can easily order it on Amazon. Okay, and this has a body butter to match. I haven't even purchased that yet, but I actually want to, because if it smells like this, I need to have it, So this is the Tahitian Vanilla by Palmer's. Okay, and this one is vital. I would say this exact oil is what's needed in this recipe for it to be successful. The exact one. This one. All right, so now that we've prepped, we primed, let's go into our fragrances. The 2 fragrances that we're going to layer to get the beautiful caramel vanilla scent that I'm talking about right now, we are going to be layering these 2. And we're going to start with this. This is Cream Velvet, and this is by Khadlaj. Now this is one of the sea of Bianco Latte dupes. This is Cream Velvet. I've had Eclair by Lattafa, which is also in that scent DNA. So if you were looking for like a Bianco Latte dupe, they both smell like it, but I'm going to say on record that this one is better. This one is better than the Eclair. I've had Eclair and I liked it until I smelled this. And when I smelled this, I'm like, well, what was that? This is the most decadent caramel vanilla. It smells very realistic, extremely realistic. When you spray it, you don't even smell the alcohol. It opens with 0 alcohol, and as time has gotten better, it's gotten better. Khadlaj, the performance on, I only have 2 Khadlaj fragrances, but the performance on these fragrances are outstanding, and it's unbelievable the price for what you get for the performance, so it's totally worth it. And if you don't know what the notes of this is, I'm going to read it to you because I have it here. So Cream Velvet has a top note of caramel and butter, which you absolutely smell the butter. So if you don't like that note, you might not like this. But it has the caramel, the butter, and it has mid notes of tonka, honey, jasmine, and a base of vanilla, musk, and amber. And when I tell you it smells like, just imagine what ice cream would smell like. Not like the cold factor or the, the cold facet of ice cream. I mean like the creamy, thick, decadent aspect of ice cream when I say ice cream, because it's still more of a warm fragrance. But just think of the smell of vanilla ice cream, homemade vanilla ice cream, okay? Dripping in buttery caramel, hot buttery caramel. Essentially, that's what this smells like. That's what this smells like. The projection on this fragrance is so incredible. Like the projection it's out of this world. Out of this world, honestly. This is an amazing scent to smell on anyone, okay? Anyone. It's something about someone that smells good. It just does something to your brain chemistry. Have you ever been having a conversation with someone whose scent is so good it's almost distracting? It almost feels like they're flirting. It's like, man, are you flirting with me? Because why would you smell this good in public if you're not trying to seduce people? This is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. And if you are looking for something that is a Bianco Latte dupe, and you can't decide between this and Eclair, just know, I actually have a video dedicated to that. Just know this one is better, but keep note that this has a buttery note that Eclair does not have. So if you don't really like that note, then you may be better off with Eclair. But if that doesn't bother you, this is where you should be. The bottle is nicer. The projection the projection on Eclair is really good too, but this one is just smoother, blended so much better, so much better. I'm gonna spray this, and you're gonna spray this as much as you want, okay? As much as your heart desires. Just like a good recipe, please don't ask me for measurements. I eyeball it. I let my ancestors tell me when to stop, okay? So you do the same. You do the same. So don't ask me, well, how many pumps per? No. This is your recipe. You season it. You season it. Okay? I don't have the measurements. I'm just giving you the sauce. Okay? Now, what you're gonna seal the deal with is a body mist. And this body mist goes so perfectly with the cream velvet fragrance. It's dumb. It's at this point, it's stupid. Like, why would you match that good? But I paired it with the Ellis Brooklyn marshmallow. Y'all, it's so freaking good. All right, so the notes of the marshmallow body mist is a marshmallow, lemon, and peach, and this is in the top notes. And then the mid note has caramel, benzoin, vanilla orchid, and it also has in the base musk, and it has Indonesian patchouli leaf. This just smells like a fluffy, slightly fruity marshmallow. Incredible with the cream velvet. There's something about that vanilla and the caramel and the marshmallow together that is literally addictive. It's almost insane to smell this good. Like, why would you even go outside? Unless you're trying to seduce the whole world, why would you wear this outside? So good. If you guys have these, the main components to me are the body oil, the fragrance, the cream velvet fragrance, and the marshmallow body mist. Those are the main components. So if you have these, combine them and watch how good it smells and how addicted you are going to be to the scent. And if you have it, please try it. Please try it. When you try it, can you come in the comments and let us know, what you did about it? Also, this is a hair and body mist, so spray this all over your hair, because it's going to create a scent bubble, and your scent trail is going to be so good, because there is a scent trail with this. The sillage in the cream velvet alone is really good, so people definitely smell it when you walk by. But make sure you spray this in your hair and all over your body. Like, I love the way this smells, honestly, and I love the fact that you can spray this in your hair, because your hair holds scent too. So that is my vanilla caramel combo, and it's going to get you all the compliments. It may even find you a man, okay? So if you're in the market and you're looking for one, wear this, and then go to somewhere where the type of men you like are. So next time you want to prowl and you're looking for a man, or you're fishing for compliments, wear this combo. I'm telling you. Everybody loves the way vanilla smells. Literally everybody loves vanilla, for most people. And if you don't, then you know. Okay, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, come back, and watch another video. Bye, y'all.